Good afternoon, everyone. Ma'am Parcher. Um, we are the group of the app called Humble's Online Seedling Ordering and Delivery Management System. And for today's class, we're gonna explain or present our app through this live video recorded. So, bakit po kami come up to the app na Online Seedling Ordering and Delivery Management System? So, as we all know, farmers often struggle to get quality seedlings on time because ordering is still done through informal methods like personal visit or verbal communication. Dahil dito medyo may mga nagkakalito-lito po. So this leads to problem which such as wrong orders, unclear stock information, and delivery delays. So which reduce farming efficiency. There is no unified online platform for ordering seedlings and checking inventory. So farmers and nursery face difficulties in managing supplies. An online seedling delivery management system can solve this issue. Mareresolbahan yung issue to through allowing farmers to view available seedlings, place orders, and schedule deliveries with real-time updates and notification. This system would stream online operation, prevent miscommunication, and support a more modern and efficient agricultural supplies chain. So with this one, yung solution po is ng app na to, Humble's online seedling ordering and management system. Um, Farmers can check seedlings availability and inventory online. So hindi na po nila kailangan pumunta pa sa mga nurseries or mga bilihan ng mga plants para lang makita kung may available na mga seedlings na kailangan nila. Two, orders can be placed without visiting the nursery, just like what I said sa unang solution. So the next one is features include user accounts, catalog, real-time updates, and delivery scheduling. Next is nursery staffs can manage stock, orders, and deliveries para po walang mga verbal miscommunication na meron pa and then kapunta ng mga farmers or mga buyers doon is wala na palang stocks. So next is automated notification, reduce errors and delays. And the last one is the system makes seedling ordering easier, faster, and more efficient. Mas efficient kasi na-handle nila ng maayos through the system or the management system ng walang aberya. So the next one is kung ano yung benefits ng apps na to sa mga farmers, buyers, such as home gardeners or small agribusiness owners. So, farmers, easy access to quality seedlings without traveling to nurseries. Real-time information helps avoid out-of-stock issues kung kailangan nila ng palay, mais, or something. Delivery scheduling supports better planning, reduces mistakes from manual ordering, making the process reliable and stress-free. So the next one is buyers. Clear information and seedlings types, prices, availability, notification, and delivery scheduling sa include dun sa buyers and sa government naman or agriculture agencies um, access to data on seedling production, demand and distribution helps plans supports program policies and emergency responses. So yung rough draft kung paano mag-work ito, first is the user startup, pangalawa ang gagawin is browsing seedlings, next is placing an order. um, dun sa browsing seedlings, meron tayong flowers, trees, vegetable, and fruits. So yun nga, placing order, check out of the order, delivery preparation, order delivery, and record update. So through seeing on how the app will work, this will be further discussed by Miss Brescia Reyes.
First, I would like to say good afternoon po or good evening, Ma'am Parcher. And to start po, here's our prototype po. I will be discussing on how it works po. First, user action po is itong start button. What happens po ba when we click this button? The prototype moves to the second page po, which is eto po siya. Yan po yung mga seeds na ino-offer namin. And then, this button po, babalik po siya dun sa wait lang. Maglag. Babalik po siya sa pinaka main page po namin. And I would like to share lang po yung sa ano namin, yung sa about sa amin, about us. Konting pasilip lang po. Yan. Ayan po siya. And then, we're back po dun sa pinaka main topic. So, dun po yung sa start. Then, sa second page po, meron po kaming apat na category, which is trees, flowers, fruits, and veggies. And kapag pinipindot po siya, pupunta po siya kung saan po kayo pwedeng mag-order. Sa trees po, we offer acacia seeds, bamboo seeds, marigold, palm, pepper, and how to order po ba? Please click this button. Then, nasa-show naman po here kung how much po yung order para isahang checkout na lang po siya para hindi po malito yung mga buyers namin. So, this screen function is the main shopping area of our prototype po. Yung sa flowers naman po, we offer orchids, Madagascar, jade, sampagita, vinya. And sa fruits naman po namin, we offer calamansi, jackfruit, strawberry, watermelon, and grapes. And last, the veggies po, eggplant, lettuce, tomato, cabbage, and spinach po. Parang same-same lang po sila pag nag-order kayo. And then kapag kinik nyo po yung order, pupunta po siya agad sa checkout. And then when you click checkout, yan, payment succeed. So, yung home po is babalik po siya dun sa pinaka-start ng aming prototype. And then, overall po sa user flow namin, this make our prototype like a real one online seedling shop po. So, here naman po, sa veggies po namin, magkakaiba-iba din po yung prices nila. We choose po na yung mga ino-offer po naming seeds na tumutubo po talaga siya dito sa Pilipinas. So, hindi po kami nag-offer ng yung parang mahirap po siyang patubuin sa Pilipinas para if ever man po, hindi po mahirapan yung mga buyers namin. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much po. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you po.